I'm moving out. I'm an old man, and I'm gonna go out now, okay? Okay? You don't like that? Well, that's too bad. Too bad. I'm a grown man, and I can make my own decisions. Hey, I've never noticed this house. Look how big it is. It's so cheap. I think I can afford it. I think I can afford it. Yeah, I can. Oh, yes, but now I'm gonna go to sleep in my nice, comfy home. Oh, such a good night's sleep. It's so hot in here. Thank God I have AC, man. Oh, it's so cold. Okay, well, I'm gonna let it cool off the house. I'm gonna go to the market. Oh, you listen to me, you dumb girl. We're gonna kill you right now. Oh, who's that? Hey, you leave that little girl alone. No, what are you gonna do about it, stupid kid? Shut up. Oh, no, that hurts so much. It's got a monster. Oh. Let's get out of here. Come on, quick. Oh my God, we gotta get in the car. Come on, fellas. Okay, I'm coming. Oh, I'm coming. Oh, I'm coming. I'm coming. Oh, I'm coming. Oh, I'm coming. Oh, I'm coming. Oh, wait, I just need to take a breather. Oh, hey, where'd that guy go? He disappeared. Oh, well, this is our chance to get away. Oh, let's get out of here, man. That crazy dog's crazy. Oh, sorry, Timon. Oh. Let's go hide. Hurry up. Let's get in our cabin. Oh, you're pushing me out the wall. Oh, I hate you.
Thank you for saving me.
Oh, there's like no problem, man. I mean, man. So, do you have a boyfriend?
No.
Do you want to, like, go out?
Sure.
Come on, hold my hand. Let's go to my house and it's tiring day. See? Why don't you move in with me? I have air conditioning. Feel how cold that is? Oh, I love air conditioning. Especially on my wings. Let's go to sleep and we'll see. And tomorrow's a new day. Good morning, honey. Are you up? Honey, wake up. Oh, yeah. Holy frig, it's cold in here. Turn off the air, it's freaking hot. Oh. Hey, honey, I'm gonna go to my friend Frigger's house. I'll see you later. Okay, I'll prepare lunch. Bye. Oh, I'm running so fast. I'm running so fast. Oh, here's Frigger's house. Knock. Just a minute, dude. Oh, it's just you, jingling dog. Hey, you should go see this Grand Master, dude. He teaches you all kinds of cool things like Kai Blast. Watch, this is so cool. Yeah, he teaches all kinds of cool things. I gotta go back for training. Maybe we should go together. See, watch. I'll do another touch. Kamehameha. Oh! That was awesome, man. Yeah, that's cool, man. Like, I think we should go to that Grandmaster dude. Okay, let me just tell my wife and get mine flying Nimbus horse. Honey. Yes? I'm going to the the dog's house. Okay, be back for supper. Okay, bye. I'll get my flying Nimbus horse. You get in front of me because it's safer ride.
3, 2, 1, go! Beware, entering deep basements full of evil monsters. Grandmaster's hut, 500 miles? Oh my god.
What are they doing in my sector? I gotta go fight them off. Hey, what the heck are you guys doing in my sector? It's no problem, we're just going to the Grand Doggy's house. Oh, you just want to go to the Grand Master's? Well, you're gonna have to get through me to get there. Okay, that'll be easy. You look like a weakling. Spirit bomb! You won't fight my friends with that. You can't talk to me like that. You gotta have respect for your little pink dudes. Hey, I'll have respect for people that I feel like. Well, let's fight. Okay. Come here. Come here. Oh. That was a strong attack. Oh, I think you're gonna die. Hey, I'm awake now. Ow! Oh, you think she can fight me and my friends like that? Oh. Over 300 miles, guys. We're almost there. It's right there. I can see it up ahead. It's the Grand Master's hut.
Awesome.
Grandmaster! Grandmaster!
Oh, yeah, whoa. What do you want? No, what are you doing with that bad magazine, boys? It's rated R, it's only for adults. You should be ashamed. Okay, what do you want, boys? I'm the old master.
Hi, remember, I'm Frigger. You gave me some training last year. And I was just wondering if my friend Jingle Dog, if you could train him.
Oh, I see your jingling dog has very good responsibility. Come here, my little jingling doggy. Now let me put my tongue on your head, and I'll read your mind. Oh, okay, that hurt. Haven't done that in a while. Okay, you are very good. You will learn tricks really easy. So, I'll teach you my first and easy trick. But first, you must defeat my enemy snackies. They're over, I think over there. Yeah, they're in that hole over there. Yeah, and they're willing to fight. They've been dying to fight the whole week. Now, you can go over there and fight them if you want. If you want to learn the spell or the secret trick. So, go now.
Okay, should I leave my friend Frigger here?
Oh, yeah, leave him here. I want to see what you can do. I'll be watching now. Oh, it's going to be interesting. It's going to be interesting.
What's this magazine? Play Master magazine for adults. Rated R. Oh, there's a picture of a dog in a bathing suit.
Hey, what are you doing? Give me that magazine. Give me that. Give me that. Oh, I'm going to have a heart attack if I get up. Thank you. Oh. Oh, yeah. I need to pay attention to the lesson. Okay.
Hey, you snake fiends want to fight? Yes. Yes. Yes, I want to fight. Yes. Yes. Yes.
Oh, yes. Now pound him. Pound him into the ground, jingling dog. Yeah, that's a good attack, my sonny. You could learn super fast.
Hurt. Try my brother. I want to fight now. I want to see what kind of attack you have. Try this. Try this.
Good job, sonny.
Oh, that hurt. Try our little evil henchman then.
Oh, you just bit a hole right into him. Good job, my son.
Bleeding all over everywhere. Oh, look at that ooze and guts.
Oh, yeah, that's what I love to see. I love that.
We have one more henchman. I'm the strongest one of them all. Oh, you're going to fight you. Watch this. Backflip attack. You think that's strong? That's nothing against my evil venom. Oh man.
Come on, Sonny. Get up and finish him off.
It's making me going to sleep. Oh, but I gotta fight it. Oh. Oh. Oh, please call me Kamehameha.
Oh, you just defeated the snake family. Cut over here, Sonny. Get over here. Get over here. Come on, come on. Let me pat your head. Yeah, good job, good job, good job. Now, I'll teach you my first trick. It's the best karate move, but I don't know if I can do it, because I'm old and my bones are cracking. Now, this trick is called the double trick punch. Now, I'll show you it, but I might break my bones. So if I do, it'll be all your fault. Okay, watch and learn carefully. I'll come up to you, and I'll swing my right paw. And then, if you block it, my other paw will come right underneath. Now, look at my muscles, audience. Oh. Now, back to the lesson. Okay. Oh. Oh. Hey, that hurt. Yeah, I know. Since I put my right paw up here, I leave a space underneath, and then you don't know when I take my other paw, hit underneath and hit your chest. Then you don't know. Sneak attack. You and your frigger guy can head home now, okay? Okay. Oh, yeah. Oh, my leg is broken. Oh. Can you give the old man help? Sure. Oh, yeah, just come underneath me and lift me up, okay? Oh, my back. Oh, yeah, it's okay, Sonny. Just keep going. Your back will be fine. Oh, yeah, here you go, doggy. Oh, yeah. Okay, thank you. Okay, thank you, Master Doggy.
Okay, let's go back. I can hear my wife calling from here, I think.